Okay, very well. It's actually the fifth and sixth respondents whose names were struck out both at the tribunal and the Court of Appeal. And what happened was that the grounds of our petition was on disqualification. And under Section 134, sub 1 of the Electoral Act 2022, you can't file a petition challenging that someone who has been declared the winner of the election was at the time of the election was not qualified to contest the election. That was why we premised our petition on that ground of disqualification. But there's another rider to it, that if you disqualify someone who has been declared elected by the new Electoral Act, the benefits of it annuls to the next person with the highest number of votes. But if the next person with the highest number of votes is also not qualified, and you have the petition, against him proved, then the third person the person who came third in the election will become automatically entitled to that office. That was the basis of our petition. That although PDP came third in Lagos State, but because there's this issue of disqualification we had against the APC candidate as well as the Labour Party candidate, that both the tribunal and the Court of Appeal should invoke the provision of Section 136 up to of the new Electoral Act 2022 to declare our candidate who came third in the election as qualified. But what happened at the track, both at the tribunal and the Court of Appeal, was that the names of these fifth and sixth respondents were struck out on the grounds that they were not necessary parties to the petition. But we said no, that by paragraph 49 of the first schedule to the Electoral Act 2022, as well as Section 136 sub 2 of the Electoral Act 2022, that the law has since changed, that you could include someone who has lost an election in your petition, so far as the issue you have against that person is that issue of disqualification. And I think we have been able to make our case before the Supreme Court and leave the apex court of the land to decide the law on this point. It's a new issue of law, and I think they will do justice to it.
What are these fifth and sixth respondents?
The fifth is architect Gbadebo Rhodes-Vivour, while the sixth is Labour Party. Thank you so much. My name is Clement ONWUNEWUNO. Yes.
You are counsel?
SAN. Yes. I'm counsel for PDP. Yes.
Thanks so much.
Thank you.
I never understand.